Why are the skies getting bluer? Why are the dolphins coming closer? What's making deer visit our neighborhoods? Why are peacocks roaming in our lanes? Why are we making time for the little things in between work calls? Why are we helping out in the kitchen and at home? Maybe we are being a little less selfish. Let this time remind us that when we are a little thoughtful, our world becomes even more beautiful. Let nothing be untouched by our love when we finally step out, inside our homes and outside. JSW Paints. Think beautiful.